actually on a piece, but as you can see, it's quite thick snow. We might have some wipeouts going down in the snow, but lots of sound effects, but make sure you leave some gap. They're all crowded up over there. This is my pole. And see how thick this snow is. My pole is going down. So it's about half a pole thickness, the snow that we're skiing in. Here goes the rest.
Attention, Yana. En avant. En avant. Allez,
Really thick snow. This is a good way to learn how to ski. At least it's soft when you fall over.
Remember, get off the track if you want to slow down, yeah? Okay. Go into the deep snow and you stop.
I think Kay Dan's down there somewhere.
Sorry.
We can hear her. We can just about see her. Oh.